Hello guys, ShadowSwap is the first decentralized exchange built on the core blockchain. Now they also have the Shadow token, which is going to be launched when the core blockchain is live on mainnet. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can swap from core to Shadow token and also swapping back to core. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. So for us to be able to use the ShadowSwap on the core testnet, you will need to have the link to the website. Now to get the link to the website, you can get it from their Twitter account, or I'm going to make things easier for you. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Go down below, or you are going to see where you can copy this link. So now, once you copy the link, you will need to bring it down to your metamask browser. So once you get to the metamask browser, what you need to do is, okay, let's say you get to the metamask wallet, you click on the browser over here. I've already done that, and you can see I'm already in the page. You will see the search box, paste the link that you copied. Okay, let me just see if I can quickly do that to show you guys how it is done. All right, I'll open this again and I close this one. So once you get to your MetaMask browser, you'll get to a page like this where you can paste the link that you copied into this box over here. Okay, let's paste it here and search. All right, so you can see here we just loaded the page. We just loaded the ShadowSwap website on our MetaMask browser. So the next thing you need to do for us to have access, for us to be able to use the ShadowSwap to swap our core and every other token on our wallets right now on the core chain, you need to connect your wallet. So mine has already been connected automatically because I did that earlier on. So what you need to do is to click on the connect button that was right over here. There was a connect button over here that was asking to connect, so you click on it. It's going to connect your wallet to the ShadowSwap website immediately. So now for us to be able to make swap with the ShadowSwap website, you need to all you need to do is to click on the trade, which is over here. Click on it, trade, which is over here, because swapping is also like trading. All right, so now here we are. Once you click on trade, you're going to see an interface like this. Looking at, it's just like the interface of the Uniswap also. Almost, I know it's not the same thing, but it's almost look alike, you know. So the next thing you should do here, because right now you can see we are having a T-core up here, meaning we're having T-core available because that's what we have in our wallet, and you can see the amount, the balance of the T-core in our wallet right now appears here. Now for us to be able to switch to the Shadow token, that's the SHDW, you need to switch the core, the amount of core you have, to Shadow. So you can see Shadow token is down here. All right, so now let me quickly make the transaction for you so that you can see. And we can likewise switch from Shadow to T-core back. So I'm going to show you that right now. So now next thing we do is okay, let me just say I'll click on max that is over here, but you can equally write the amount you want to swap by yourself. So you can do that manually if you wish, but I'll just click on max. Let me just click on max. So it's going to bring out everything that is in the wallet, the T-core wallet right now. So it's going to be giving me 70.305 Shadow token. You understand? So I'll be getting like I'm just going to be switching. I want to swap 2.8 T-core. It's going to be giving me 70. Wow, that's much. So now let's quickly do the swapping and see what it's going to be like. Let's click on swap. All right, so now we'll click on swap and we confirm. Click on confirm. All right, let's wait for the confirmation. Okay, you scroll up, then you click on confirm. Yes, I just confirm that I want to swap a 2.8 core to Shadow. All right, good. Now I just swapped my shadow token. So now for you that you've not added shadow token to your metamask, you can quickly click on this particular place so that it's going to be added to your to your wallet. You're going to see the you're going to see the shadow token in your wallet instantly. I've already done that. I don't need to click here because I've already made transaction earlier on this platform. So but I'm just doing this to show you guys now. So I'm going to click on close. All right, now let's quickly check our wallet. I had about 66 shadow token on my wallet earlier on. So now I just swapped to receive I think 70. So now here we are. You can see now I swapped my T-Core to shadow token, and which is over here, right here on my balance. So now I'm going to be swapping them all back to T-Core for you to see again, to see how it works. All right, so now let's go to the browser. Okay, now we are back here. So all you need to do for you to switch back the shadow token back to T-Core, to swap it back to your T-Core, all you need to do is to click on this very arrow that is down here, that is just between. Now you can see they've switched sides. So what you need to do again now is I pressed on max because I want to swap everything. You see now I'm going to swap everything back to T-Core, and now let's see total of T-Core. We're going to be getting total of 5.5 T-Core on our balance. So now we are going to make this swap right now. Enable swap, sorry, enable shadow. Okay, approve. All right, now we are giving the shadow token the shadow swap access, approved to go ahead, swap this thing to swap this balance to T-Core. All right, so okay, good. Now we can do the swapping. So now let's swap. We'll see. Here we go, and here we go. Okay, we'll confirm it. Confirm here too. All right, okay, very good. So now we've swapped everything back. So now all you need to do now is to click on close and check our wallet once more. All right, now let's check our wallet. Click on wallet here. Okay, now very good. You can see now we've swapped back to our T-Core, which is available, and here there's nothing available on the shadow token balance. So now that is how you can swap from T-Core to shadow token, and also from your shadow token to your T-Core. So basically that is how you can use the ShadowSwap website to swap between the T-Core and the shadow token. So guys, if you find this video helpful and you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates coming up. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye.